Okay, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's all about one thing, trading. I'm an unexperienced trader. Don't take any advice from me. I'm a gambling man, so to speak. But now that's also not a good thing to say, I guess. Doesn't matter. This channel, trading related, I will be showing you my trades, my wins, my losses. Quick rundown on my trading experience. I've for the past what? It's been a few months now. Last year I traded crypto futures on Kraken Pro, and yeah, that was fun. Made a little bit of money. Bought myself this PC, and then afterwards proceeded to lose the remainder of the account. Took a break. Started studying future trading, looking for a strategy, this and that and the other. Came to the conclusion that I just need to start sim trading, that I basically have all the knowledge that I need, as we all do. We just think we don't. All you have to do is actually try and do the trading. And I did it. The first week, I was never able to trade the actual market hours, so I backtested every market open for London and every market open from New York session. And then I came up with a strategy, but I say came up, I copied somebody else's strategy and adapted it to make it more for me and use it on London session instead of that person using it on New York session. And now the strategy can be used on London and on New York session with a few minor tweaks. Yeah, and I did that for a whole week of sim trading last week, demo trading, and up until Thursday I had 100% accuracy. I took two trades a day, one in London and one in New York opening. My trade evade free simulation was running out, so I was like, might as well. I feel like I've been stalling my trading journey long enough, so I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna buy my first evaluation, and that's what's happening this week. This is the first day of my eval, so without further ado, let's get into today's trades. First of all, what I do is I check the general trend, the general bias, which was a little bit iffy, if we can be honest. This was a downtrend, then it was an uptrend, and then here you could say it's a downtrend because it's lower highs and lower lows, right? Kinda. But we have this high right here, which eventually price moved later on in the day, but that's not what happened in the morning. So we scale down to the 15 minute, and at 8:45 until 9, I draw out this nice zone right here. This zone right here is the 8:45 until 9 candle. The high and the low, we mark it out. We make a nice little midline too. And this is a zone that we use to see what price will do. It goes up and then it breaks through. And the moment it breaks through, it actually keeps going down for the foreseeable future. So we'll use that you'll see. Next up, we scale down to the 5-minute chart. This is at 8:45 until 9, right? So at 9, I draw these highs and lows, and that's it. Then I scale down at 9 o'clock. I scale down to the 5-minute chart, and I do the next. I do the same thing, but this time on a 5-minute candle from 9 until 9:05. Boom, highs and lows, a second zone. Then, once this candle has formed, so we scale down to the 1 minute, we have our 5-minute zone right here, and we're waiting for something to happen so we can enter, right? Our entry model is simple. We need a fair value gap to push outside of that 5-minute zone. Above, we think bullish. Below, we think bearish. All right, there's a small fair value gap right here, then there's a second fair value gap right here, and then there is this thing right here, whatever you want to call it. But before we enter, we need to retest the fair value gap, and that does not happen here. It does not happen here. It happens all the way over here. But at this point, structure is not what I want it to be. Keeping in mind also that it's a downtrend, I low-key don't really want to take a bullish trade. Let's say we want to take a trade of this fair value gap right here. We retest the fair value gap, we go up. But this high from the fair value gap from the first one needs to be engulfed, which does not happen. This is never happening. It always stays at the low. So no trade. We wait. Luckily for me, I actually had to leave my setup at whatever this time is, 9:45. I think I left around, yeah, 9:45, because 950 to be exact. Somewhere along here, it was going sideways. And then I had to do something. I had to get up and leave. I was pissed, but I had to do it. Anyway, lucky for me, a whole lot of nothing happened. And then by the time I got back, actually, this big ass candle happened. And this second big ass downwards candle happened. So this means that Jesus Christ, that we broke our 5 minute zone. Boom, boom. We also broke the midline. Remember what I said? We want to take the midline into consideration. If it goes below, it might be bearish. Okay, so we have two fair value gaps. Boom, boom, showing a lot of sell pressure. Then I'm like, okay, we have two fair value gaps, but no retests. I need a retest before I can even think about setting up a trade. So a third fair value gap is formed right here. It's retested. Okay, it's a doji. I try not to take trades when dojis are in the area, but all this fucking selling power right here, I'm like, I'm not gonna miss this train. So we enter. No, we don't enter, excuse me. We retest the fair value gap. Boom. We engulf, finally. We engulf right here. So I enter right here, and that's the end of the road right there. Boom, we go down. 10-minute take profit, 10-point take profit, 5 stop loss. Maybe I moved it up to 7. I don't remember. 7 is the max. 5-point stop, 5-point, 10-point take profit, and straight down, right around the fucking sniper. Call it a fucking sniper. $250 PO. 250 bucks profit. All right, beautiful trade, perfectly set up. Lucky for me, I just got back. Luckily, I was speeding because otherwise I would have missed this trade. That's obviously a joke. Yeah, so we had a perfect setup. Textbook for London session. Keep in mind, this was London session. Then, second trade was New York session. This time, we do the same shit, but the zones are different. The zones are different. The 15-minute candle is now not at 8:45 until 9, but it's at 8 until 8:15. So as we can see, 2 p.m. is for me 8 in the morning. 2 p.m. is for me, what? 8 in the morning for New York session is 2 p.m. for me, what I'm trying to say. So we set up the trade. We set up the zone, midline, same as before. We scale down to the 5-minute to do this time not the 9 o'clock candle, but the 9:30 until 9:35 candle. 5-minute candle, high and low, drawn out, whatever the fuck the word is. This is a big one. We see this high from before that I was scared of that was gonna swipe or sweep or whatever the fuck. So we mark out almost instantly. We break. Literally on minute 5. We instantly break the fucking 5-minute zone. We break above with a fair value gap to push a candle to fully open and close. Above the zone, we move up, we move down, we retest. We engulf right here. This one is literally not an engulf, but opens above. I press buy. Boom, boom, boom. We go up, we go down, we go up. This was a long trade, if I remember correctly. 40 minutes, 20. This was like a 45-minute trade, something, right? Doesn't really matter. We were correct. Boom, retest. We never went down. Just a little bit of sideways movement. We make a new fair value gap. Just drew it out for fun. Boom, 10 points, easy profit. So that's basically my trade for the first day. Up $481. That is 2 winning trades. If we keep up this pace with these contracts, six trading days, and we pass the evaluation. That's the goal here. I'm actually, because this was the first time that I traded evaluation, it went smooth, so we might, if we're feeling comfy, if the setup is pristine, fuck it, we might do more contracts so we get there quicker, right? That's it. That's it. That's it. That is the video for today, or the trades of today. Yeah, do your research, analyze, not analyze. I don't do anything. I can't speak. Yeah, that's it. That's it for today's video. I think I have a clip of me after I hit TP. Let's see.
On the back of that thing, we out here.
When I ride my shit in my lap, little nigga fuck reaching up under a seat. How you a gangster, but nigga in high school, you was one of them niggas I used to beat. Most of these niggas out here sex drugs, but they don't mean shit, fuck niggas still weak. Most of these niggas out here got guns, but they don't mean shit, niggas still get beat. When I ride my shit in my lap, little nigga fuck reaching up under a seat. How you a gangster, but nigga in high school, you was one of them niggas I used to beat.